But I feel like my mouth is making such weird noises. Okay, so I went to a thrift store in Connecticut. Pro tip, rich people area thrift store. They are giving away the coolest shit. They're like, oh, another vintage Japanese tea set. Saw that today, by the way. I don't need that. Just give it to the thrift. And those are like the things that are there. So I scored at this shop today. We were walking out of the thrift store. The lady said, wow, like the lady working there. She said, wow, you really scored. And yes, ma'am, we did. So let me take you on a journey. Mr. Pierogi and I have been watching the show Mom, and in that show, they always have the coziest mugs. Like the mugs that they use are like just double handers, a warm soup type mug. For example, I like this mug, I do, but it's not like this. I want like a goblet type of thing. And gotta answer my prayers today. $1.50, and it is so cute. You see, it's like a soup handling mug. Number 2, same concept, slightly different execution, Northern Territory. I don't know where that is, but I did like the color scheme, and it looked cool. And also, it's just, next one, it does not really play on like the cozy, comfy Gilmore Girls mom type mugs, but a stunner on her own. That side says Berry Best Friends. $1.50, by the way. How did my dog's hair already get in this? Bearing it together, teddy bear stitching another teddy bear up, and then on the top, and it's like, imagine if I opened it and there was like a roach or something. So I thought that that would be cool, keeping my coffee warm type of experience. Mr. Pierogi got this. Looks pretty sick. It's just very cozy. It has this on the back. So like this with like some jeans. It could look real cool, boy. $6. 3 for $6. They are candle holders. So I'm gonna put them next to my record player. I really wanna be like a candle holder person. I feel like I see all the cool trendy girls putting the candles in the candle holders and then having the candle holders of like multiple heights. And it's just, I want that cool girl aesthetic, okay? Let a girl dream. These are going to get me there. Okay, this I'm very, 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 very excited about, and you need to hear me out about it. Yup. Real wood BT dubs. This lightly used trinket shelf. I'm going to be putting maybe like my Sunny's Angels in. I saw this video on TikTok of this girl who basically got one that was from Target, and girl, it looked really nice. I'm not trying to talk shit about your trinket shelf at all, but like at Target and like Home Goods and stuff, I almost feel like you're paying more for like a cheaper material, whereas like this feels like it was like handcrafted in the 90s, and I only paid $10 for it. That's why I think thrifts are so cool. Imagine it's like a mass printed one from Target and I'm talking all this shit. I don't know, but it doesn't even have like a brand name on it. Like I think it might even be handmade. And so that's so cute. This is the coolest thing I think I got. Mr. Pierogi found this one, written in 1965. It's in very good condition. There's a little, on the binding, but nothing major. It's called A Treasury of Great Recipes. The material is so nice, first of all. It's such a beautiful book. And I opened it, and it has all of these recipes. Oh, it has that old book smell too. No one tell me what the old book smell is. If it's some like bacteria, I don't want to know. So keep it to yourself in the comments. But like ribbon bookmarks. So I guess that they would go to these places and eat stuff, and the stuff that they really liked, they would get a recipe for it and how to make it. Whoa, an old cafe. That is so cool that they have the menus of these older places in here. Oatmeal lace cookies. Bookmark. Oatmeal, dark brown sugar, egg, vanilla, salt, butter. What? That seems so easy. And look at all the shit they put in our food. Just saying. So it's famous specialties of the world's foremost restaurants adapted for the American kitchen. Maybe like easier ingredients for you to get in the United States. France, Italy, Holland are the first. So basically you go to one of those restaurants, you'll first see their menu, what looks like the kitchen staff's cookbook, vibe of what it's about, what you need, ingredients, directions. So it is a really, really cool book, and the food in it looked so good. That would have been a requirement for getting this book. The photos too, like the sketches, it's just such a high quality book. And not just high quality to like sit on a table, but also useful for me to cook some of these recipes. This was probably the most expensive thing that we got today. Yeah, by far actually. This was $50, but it is gigantic, and like cooking is one of my love languages. I love to cook for people I love, so if I can hone in on that craft, then I think this is a worthwhile investment for me. And I feel like that's something you would like pass down through your family, which is usually like what I try to go for when I'm buying things, at least lately. I heard of this thing called Swedish death cleaning. I think that's what it's called, where basically I could be, I read this a long time ago, okay? But what I had seen is that once they're getting older, they start getting rid of things that they don't want to pass down in their family. And so they don't accumulate a bunch of stuff. I have a couple pieces in our house that have been passed down from family members, and those pieces mean the most to me. They make my home feel much more homey. So I would love to also contribute that like down the line as we have kids and grandkids and great-great-grand and blah, 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 you know, all that. So what do we have next? Unwrapping party. We needed some art for the hallway. I don't even think you need to hear me out. I actually think it's very, very cute. $24. Frame is really nice. It's in pretty good condition. A couple little like dots and stuff, but I honestly think I can clean that off. So yeah, pretty nice, right? Pretty nice. I usually feel like when there's multiple colors, it can kind of distract where it looks like you don't have one cohesive color palette. But I feel like the colors here seem to almost have the same tint to them. And so it's like a splash of color, but still cohesive. So big fan. And now for the grand finale. My dad got Mr. Pierogi and I CD player, record player. And so I have been going ham on getting CDs because CDs allow me to own the music. The music is mine that I bought. Like if a streaming platform goes down or something, like if this company goes out of business, it doesn't matter because I'm not depending on like their streaming to get songs. Like the songs are mine. So I've been liking that idea of like collecting CDs. Rapid fire. The police, every breath you take. Why did I say that like I was announcing the Oscars? The police, I cannot stop saying it like I'm announcing the Oscars. Okay, if I do that, just accept it. Like that's just how it's gonna be. The police, every breath you take. Reba, read my mind. I would love to, Reba. Blues Brothers. Dan Aykroyd actually shouted out my dad on his radio show because my dad's a musician, and Dan Aykroyd really liked my dad's album, Biggest Hits. Willie Nelson, 16 of them, which is very specific. I wonder if that's just like, he just had 16 hits and they're trying to be like, oh, just 16, but it is just 16. Anyway, A Star Is Born. I love Lady Gaga in this. I thought her voice sounded fantastic. I'm glad I found this today. That was a immediate grab when I saw this. Tell me something blows now. Anyway, spirit of Lady Gaga just took over me. Justin Timberlake, Future Sex Love Songs. Reba, number one, Reba. You are stunning, mama. I love her. Got into Reba from her show, and Reba is just America's sweetheart. Reba, if you're watching, I love you so much. She's singing stuff like Kathy's Clown, which is by the Everly Brothers, and I love that song, so I get to hear Reba do it. She also sings Jolene, so like, come on, Jolene and Reba together. Like, I needed it. Jolene. And last but not least, certainly not least, another Reba. It's your call. You're right, Reba. It is my call, and I said, give me that CD. It's mine. Like, baddie alert, baddie. 1992 Reba. Okay, so yeah, that's pretty much it. That is my haul for today. Thank you for staying for this chaotic little number that we did here. Let me know if you like this type of content too, because this was really fun. And I'm Princess Pierogi.